Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk everything from life to food, family, and fun, and everything in between. Pretty much everything that affects our lives as women on a regular basis. So if that's of interest to you, I would ask that you would consider subscribing. That's that red button down below on the right. And hit the bell so you're notified of every video that comes out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. And today I'm gonna show you a little summer survival kit that is super cute, super fun, great for summer, and you'll never guess where it comes from. So if that's of interest to you, stay tuned and let's do this.
This pop isn't working, Benny. I'm baking like a toasted cheese here. It's so hot here.
Okay, so my daughter works at Starbucks and she came home with the cutest summer survival kit that they're selling right now, and it has nothing to do with coffee. So I thought I would do a video, share it with you, and if you love it, you can run out to Starbucks, grab a coffee, and get one of these things too. Here it is. It's this cute little pouch with a tassel. It's a really, really super cute peach color. And I don't know if you can see what it says, but it says sunset is my favorite color. And you will never believe the amount of stuff that comes in this thing. So I'm gonna go through it. Everything comes inside of here. So first it comes with a little cell phone or sunglass microfiber cloth to clean your screens. Next it has a wide-toothed comb, and it has two hair ties that are actually right here. It has a little miniature dry shampoo, a miniature aloe vera gel squeezy tube bottle, two Band-Aids, two deodorant wipes, two stain remover wipes, two facial cleanser wipes, a little tube of sunscreen, a little tube of lip balm, and I think she said this smells like vanilla. It doesn't smell like vanilla to me. Kinda smells tropical to me. It smells good. So there's that. And then the coolest thing of all is that it comes with this little miniature fan. And the way that you use this is you actually plug it into your phone. And you can fan yourself. Hello. You can fan yourself while you're hot. Now, this thing's pretty powerful. You can't hit the home button when this thing is going because it hurts. Oh my gosh, it hurts to turn it off too. Like, you have to be very careful when you pull it out like this. Hold it like this because if you hit it with your fingers, it actually is, you know, kind of hurts. So like, if you're trying to get your phone to work, oh my gosh, I don't know about that. Ugh, yeah, don't use your phone while you're using this. But I mean, really, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, but all of this fits into this tiny little pouch, which is adorable. And it's at Starbucks right now. I think it's 27 bucks. And it comes with a lot of really cool stuff in a small package to keep you prepared for summer. So go get yourself a coffee and one of these little things. Just thought it was a really fun little thing for summer as we kick summer off. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you run out and grab yourself one of these. I'm gonna have to go get one because this is hers, and unless I steal it while she's asleep, I'm gonna have to get my own. But super cute. Hope it inspires you to have some fun this summer and to put on the sunscreen and the lip balm and just have a good time with your families. And until the next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.